How to save ping output report on Notepad automatically. Hi everyone, this is Kid and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can save ping output report on Notepad automatically. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up command prompt in your device. So navigate to search icon and in the search bar type in cmd and then click on run as administrator. Click on yes. So once you are here on the command prompt, here you have to type a command ping, then add the website, then give a space, then type in -t, again give a space, and then you have to provide the location where you want to save this report on. So first of all, select your drive. You can open up this PC in your device and here select the drive where you want to save the file on. So for now, I will just save it in my C drive. So after that, once you're done typing this command, then you have to type arrow. Now provide your drive, then again type in semicolon, then give a backward slash. Now you have to type in the file name. So here I will just type in ping output one dot and give the extension .txt. So here you have to type in this command as ping, your website name. After that, type in -t, give a space, and then you have to give your drive. After that, you have to name or file and make sure to give this .txt extension. After that, open up your drive. You can minimize this. So here on your command prompt, if you press enter, you will see a file or a text file that is created in the drive that you have provided here. So if you open up this text file, there you can see all of the ping result report is here, which is saved automatically in your Notepad. So that's how you can save the ping output report automatically on Notepad. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.